Artificial intelligence goes for beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about face recognition. Face recognition is a technology that uses machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence to automatically identify and verify individuals based on their facial features. This technology is used in various applications, such as security systems, access control, identification verification, and personalization. The face recognition system works by capturing an image of a person's face and comparing it to a database of stored images. The system then analyzes the features of the face, such as the distance between the eyes, nose, and mouth, the shape of the jawline, and the texture of the skin, to determine if there is a match. This process can be done either in real time or by comparing the captured image with a previously stored image. Face recognition technology has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its convenience and efficiency in a variety of applications. However, there are also concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of this technology, such as facial recognition surveillance systems that could be used for mass surveillance. In addition to concerns about privacy, there have also been debates about the accuracy of face recognition technology, especially with regards to racial bias. Some studies have found that certain face recognition algorithms are less accurate when identifying people with darker skin tones or from certain ethnic backgrounds, which can lead to false identifications or discrimination. To address these issues, there have been efforts to improve the accuracy and fairness of face recognition technology, such as developing more diverse training datasets and implementing testing and auditing procedures to detect and correct biases. Despite these challenges, face recognition technology has many potential benefits, such as improving security, streamlining access control and identity verification processes, and enhancing personalized user experiences. As the technology continues to advance, it is likely that face recognition will become even more ubiquitous and integrated into various aspects of our daily lives. In addition to the benefits mentioned earlier, face recognition technology has also been used in various fields such as law enforcement, healthcare, and education. For example, in law enforcement, face recognition technology can be used to help identify suspects in criminal investigations. This can be particularly useful when combined with other forms of evidence and investigative techniques. In healthcare, face recognition technology has been used to develop non-invasive diagnostic tools, such as detecting signs of medical conditions like Down syndrome or facial palsy. In education, face recognition technology has been used to improve student safety by verifying the identity of people entering school premises and identifying individuals who are not authorized to be there. While there are still concerns and debates surrounding the use of face recognition technology, it has many potential benefits and is likely to continue to play an increasingly important role in our daily lives. One promising application of face recognition technology is in the field of biometric authentication, which is the process of verifying a person's identity based on their unique physical or behavioral characteristics. For example, face recognition technology can be used to unlock mobile devices, access bank accounts, or make secure payments. This can provide a more seamless and user-friendly experience for individuals while also increasing security and reducing the risk of identity theft. Another potential application of face recognition technology is in the field of marketing and advertising. By using facial recognition software to analyze consumers' facial expressions, companies can gain insights into their emotional responses to products, advertisements, or other stimuli. This can help companies to better understand their customers and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, it is likely that face recognition will become even more prevalent in various fields and applications, leading to a more convenient, efficient, and personalized user experience. It is also important to address concerns about privacy, accuracy, and bias to ensure that the benefits of this technology are accessible and equitable for all. Another area where face recognition technology is being used is in the field of social media and entertainment. In the entertainment industry, face recognition technology is being used to create more realistic and lifelike digital avatars, as well as to enhance the performance of actors and performers. Another potential application of face recognition technology is in the field of healthcare, particularly in the area of telemedicine. By using face recognition technology, healthcare providers can authenticate the identity of patients during virtual consultations and ensure that sensitive medical information is shared securely. For example, some social media platforms use face recognition algorithms to tag users in photos, while others use the technology to apply augmented reality filters to users' faces in real time. Motion capture technology that uses face recognition algorithms can capture the subtle facial expressions and movements of actors and apply them to digital characters in movies or video games. Face recognition technology has a wide range of applications in various fields and industries, and its potential benefits are significant. However, it is important to address concerns about privacy, accuracy, and bias to ensure that the technology is used in a responsible and equitable manner. Face recognition technology is also being used in the field of robotics and automation. For example, robots that use face recognition algorithms can be programmed to identify and interact with specific individuals, making them useful for tasks such as customer service, security, or healthcare. In the field of transportation, face recognition technology is being used to improve safety and security in airports, train stations, and other public transportation hubs. For example, some airports use face recognition technology to verify the identities of passengers and expedite the boarding process, while others use it to detect and prevent security threats. Another potential application of face recognition technology is in the field of environmental monitoring and conservation. By using facial recognition algorithms to identify individual animals, researchers can track and monitor endangered species and gather valuable data about their behavior and habitats. Face recognition technology is also being used in the field of education, particularly in the area of personalized learning. By using face recognition algorithms to analyze students' facial expressions and engagement levels, educators can adapt their teaching strategies to better meet the needs and preferences of individual learners. As the technology continues to evolve and expand, it is likely that face recognition will become even more integrated into various aspects of our daily lives. However, it is important to address the ethical and social implications of this technology to ensure that it is used in a responsible and equitable manner. One potential concern with face recognition technology is the risk of it being used for surveillance and monitoring of individuals without their knowledge or consent. In some countries, governments are already using face recognition technology to monitor citizens and control public behavior, which raises serious questions about privacy and human rights. Another concern is the potential for bias and discrimination, particularly with regards to race and ethnicity. As mentioned earlier, some studies have found that certain face recognition algorithms are less accurate when identifying people with darker skin tones or from certain ethnic backgrounds. This can lead to false identifications and unjust treatment, which can have serious consequences for individuals. There are concerns about the security of face recognition technology and the potential for it to be hacked or used for fraudulent purposes. This is particularly relevant in situations where face recognition is used for authentication and access control, as a breach of security could lead to identity theft or financial fraud. Finally, there are ethical and social implications to consider, particularly with regards to the use of face recognition technology in the workplace, education, and other settings. For example, using face recognition algorithms to analyze students' engagement levels and emotional states could raise concerns about privacy and potential stigmatization. Overall, while face recognition technology has many potential benefits and applications, it is important to consider the potential risks and concerns and to develop ethical and responsible guidelines for its use. This includes addressing issues of privacy, bias, security, and social implications, and ensuring that the technology is used in a way that respects the rights and dignity of all individuals. In next video, we will discuss about autonomous vehicles. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.